So here's the tempo 1 again, and from the last video, you saw the S meter was really wild on sideband, flopping around. So I took a look at the schematic, and it just seemed like this capacitor here, this is like an RC circuit here, and here there's resistor and there's a capacitor. This one is a 0.22. I took it up to a 0.33, and I think that capacitor was shot. So here's the capacitor in question. And that capacitor was pretty much sitting right there. That's capacitor C17D3. So with all band capacitors, they go into the S-can like that. And this radio is working a lot better with that capacitor now. It's a 0.33. The AGC, ABC is a lot smoother. The sideband sounds more natural. There's no more popping sound. And now what didn't work was when I backed the RF gain down, it didn't really take the meter to full scale and quiet the receiver. And now it pretty much, well, it works better. I can take the RF gain down. And so the way I would expect this to work would be when RF gain is all the way down, it would go to 60 and be quiet. So let's see if we can get that working. Get a screwdriver here. There we go. And so now I'm just gonna fiddle with this adjustment here. See if we can modify that behavior a bit. So no, that's not changing anything. There's also like a sensitivity here somewhere. That's ALC. I don't see it. Anyway, it's working better, so crank up the, you want to run the RF gain wide open for the S meter to work, so there it is wide open. So they're not poppy anymore. They're not popping on and off anymore when they're strong. Let's go to 80 meters now and check that out. There's 80 meters right there. There's nobody strong on here. All right, so everything sounds smoother, but nobody strong to really deal with here. Okay, that guy's strong.
Great jump in there, and I wasn't sure what happened. Back to you. Oh, I just put my phone right. Start up on the John Deere tomorrow and the new floor. Make sure all those things are ready. I think within a week or two, I'm going to have to be employing the first session. 4655. It was a 66 station. Okay, I went through the channel officially.
Anyway, I'm pretty happy now with how the AGC works in this thing, so that's an improvement. The last thing I want to fix is the SSB signal. I did throw a spare, what is this thing, a 7560 or something, a 7360 in there. Balance modulator tube. This tube is really hard to get. It's about 30-40 bucks on eBay. Anyway, I did put a spare one in there. You can sometimes just put your fingernail on these and bang them near your ear and see if they sound loose. This one has a ringing sound like it's loose in there, so who knows? Anyway, so to check that out, we'll go somewhere top of the band here and we'll try to tune up top of the band. Okay, there we go. Let's see if she'll tune up. Run tune. Mic gain is reasonable. Yeah, it's got some signal coming out there now, which is good. Increase it. Yeah, looks good. Max it for grid. Okay, let's go for power. We got power. All right, so with all that done, crank the mic up, go to SSB, find the microphone, which is around here somewhere, plug it in and see what happens. All right, mic is cranked and operate. KB3 whiskey 1. Okay, that's about right. I would like to see modulation like that. And if you go to tune mode now, you see how that's going about to there for power output. How about the plate current? See what's going about to .3 there. So give it a whistle and see if it'll go. Okay, that is right smack on the money. So if this radio now works like this consistently, I'm thinking that this balance modulator is blown up. And let's check the balance modulator adjustment by going to plate here and just going to SSB. Okay, and not talking. Keep the mic and don't talk. And look at the current. No current, so we're balanced. KB 3W testing. So it's working for now, and I'm gonna now use the radio. I've put the lid on this radio twice now, and it's tricked me twice. So I've had to take it apart a few more times. So I'm gonna leave the lid off of it and just use it tomorrow and see how it goes. All right, okay. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. I swear I'm not gonna fix any more of these, but you never know. They're kind of fun when they don't frustrate the heck out of you. Okay, thanks for watching. Have a great day. Bye-bye.